Christmas and New Year's, and I haven't been back for like 2 years, so we're really excited.
I like that it gives me a lot of coverage and it goes well on my skin, and usually I like the glossy look, but I really like this matte finish.
So I hope this morning you will find some of your favorite Tom Ford beauty products. Welcome, ladies.
Tom Ford is all about the flawless face, the face architecture, about symmetry.
So hi everyone. Hi. And we'll talk and bring you more about how you could actually create a Tom Ford face.
Body spray actually. Yeah, the shimmery one. Yeah, that one looked really good.
So yeah, she taught us how to put on the green products as well as not to put the contour on your jawline itself because that would actually accentuate it.